nearby hospital. And it is what has been happening right now. We have been told that helpline numbers have been issued, and also there are efforts that are being made to take those passengers who are left off the particular train to their destination. Possibly they are planning for some additional train or the buses. In fact, Railways is deliberating. Senior officers are very much there on ground, and they are somewhere giving the directions. But as I mentioned earlier, helpline numbers have been issued, to help those who are looking for their loved ones. We are, in fact, learning about this train number 68733. This is the memo train, that has in fact dashed into a goods train. This was upline, and because of this collision, Poonam, the entire traffic has been impacted. We are learning about several sort of diversions, but right now we'll wait for some sort of confirmation as far as more details are concerned. And we have seen in the past that how accidents have happened. I remember the Balasore accident we have reported here on CNN News 18. After that, a number of incidents have happened. Opposition has been asking questions to the government, and we know that how from last so many years they have been asking. But argument from railway side is that they are taking care of the measures. They are implementing several sort of safety measures, and these incidents have come down. The number has has come down. But even in the 21st century, if we are dealing with this sort of crisis where we are reporting about accidents, so then several sort of questions are being raised. But right now we'll wait for some sort of confirmation from railways as to under what circumstances this accident has happened. As far as this particular scenario is concerned, so we have seen in the past joint note is normally the first procedure as far as formalities are concerned, and in joint note we'll get some sort of idea as to what happened. If it was a problem in the signaling system, if it was a problem in the tracks itself, or if it was a problem with the driver doing a SPAD case where they are passing the signal on danger, or if it was some sort of miscalculation that has happened from driver's side. As I mentioned earlier, we have a fail-proof system in the Indian Railways, so that sort of miscalculation, the possibilities or the probability of that particular scenario is very less. But then we will wait for the official confirmation. In fact, I am having a word with several sort of officers from the zone, and they are telling us that all the senior officers have reached the particular site, and right now they are in fact shifting the injured people to the nearby hospital. Some are trapped, we have been given to understand, and you rightly pointed out, loco pilot in fact is injured too. What is the in fact nature of the injuries? We'll get some sort of confirmation from the hospital as well, because in these cases deaths are normally confirmed by either police or the hospital. But Railways right now is confirming that 2-3 passengers are injured, and also you are talking about the figures that we have possibly gotten from the police officials there. Poonam.
Right, Akash, do stay on with us. Let's cut across to reports coming in from ground as well, where we are getting a sense of where the rescue operations stand at the moment.
देखिए, रेस्क्यू कार्य अभी भी जारी है। आप देख सकते हैं कि अभी भी जिस जगह पे लोको पायलट के फंसे होने की बात कही जा रही है, वहां पर अभी भी जो टीम पहुंची हुई है, टीम जो है गैस कटर के जरिए, चूंकि भीषण हादसा हुआ था और जब ये गाड़ी इस खड़ी हुई मालवाहक गाड़ी से टकराई, उसके बाद से देखा जा सकता है कि उसके परखच्चे उड़ गए। सामने की जो इंजन है वो पूरी तरीके से एक डिब्बे की तरह सिमट गया। लिहाजा ये माना जा रहा है कि उसे काटने में, उसे गैस कटर से काटने में ही काफी टाइम लग रहा है, जिसकी वजह से जो भीतर वहां पर बताया जा रहा है कि लोको पायलट होने की संभावना जिसकी जताई जा रही है, उसको निकालने में कड़ी मशक्कत करनी पड़ रही है। चूंकि हादसा इतना भीषण था और जब टकराई है गाड़ी, तो आप देखिए ना, बिल्कुल सिमट के, वो जो एक बोगी होती है वो सिमट के एक डिब्बे के रूप में हो गई है। तो अंदाजा लगाया सकता है कि रफ्तार कितनी रही होगी, हादसा कितना भीषण रहा होगा, और यही वजह है कि अब मौके पर जो रेस्क्यू टीम पहुंची हुई है वो कोशिश कर रही है।
From the accident site, even as we're seeing rescue operations there take place, we're also nearing sundown, Akash. That's going to be another challenge as far as these relief operations go.
रेस्क्यू वर्क चल रहा है।
फिर कितने लोग घायल हुए होंगे?
इस समय एग्जैक्ट संख्या बताना संभव नहीं है, लेकिन जो भी घायल थे उन सबको यहाँ से हॉस्पिटल के लिए रवाना कर।
कैजुअलिटी भी कुछ?
कैजुअलिटी होगी, लेकिन कैजुअलिटी की भी एग्जैक्ट संख्या आपको थोड़ी देर बाद ही मैं बता पाऊंगा।
सर,
That was a police officer there confirming what the situation is like on ground. Akash continues to be with us, getting us more details. Akash, like I was pointing out, it is going to be a race against time, isn't it? It is almost sundown. As night falls, it's only going to be more challenging to conduct these relief operations.
Oh yes, Poonam, I was mentioning that how several sort of machines are being called, and we have in railways, several sort of track-based machines. So we have been given to understand that all these machines are being, sent to the site. And in fact, while senior officers are very much there, so GM is also somewhere giving directions because, you rightly pointed out this is one challenge, and then the challenge is to, clear the, tracks right now, because we have been given to understand that some passengers are still trapped, or there is a possibility of some passengers, are still inside the train. So they are putting in, efforts. In fact, several sort of cutters are being used to cut the parts of that particular train, because, in fact, the visual is suggesting that how, it has got toppled on the goods train. So right now they are putting in efforts. Yes, of course, there is a challenge because, it's the dawn time, and in some time from now, in fact, we will be seeing a total darkness. But then, in the entire case, the big challenge is that how it has happened and under what circumstances, how many people have lost their life, and those who are injured, how, fast they are getting the treatment. So right now, Railways is shifting them to the nearby hospital, and also, they are planning some new
Right, Akash, we'll come back to you, but we are getting more reactions coming in on the status of the relief and rescue work that's going on in Chhattisgarh. Let's listen in.
कोरबा साइड से लोकल ट्रेन आ रही थी और सामने में गुड्स ट्रेन जा रही थी। गतौरा और बिलासपुर के बीच की ये घटना है। बिलासपुर साइड जा रही थी ट्रेन। इन दोनों ट्रेन के बीच में लास्ट बोगी और फर्स्ट बोगी जो है उसमें आपस में एक्सीडेंट हुआ है और इसके कारण से घटना हुई है। इसमें अभी तक 4 कैजुअल्टी का पता लगा है। रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन अभी चल ही रहा है। इसमें और जो भी होगा उसके बाद अपडेट करेंगे।
थैंक यू। बता देंगे सर, ये एक सिंगा है जी रोला जी।
अभी ये दुर्घटना हुई है। मालगाड़ी जो खड़ी हुई थी उसके पीछे से मालगाड़ी के आखिरी डब्बे से मेमो ट्रेन का जो प्रथम डब्बा है वो टकराया है।
बता देंगे सर, ये
Akash, the officials there are still involved in rescue operations, tight-lipped about what the situation is like, the number of fatalities or casualties. They're still being very cautious about it, given that several people are still trapped. And right now, the focus is to ensure that every single person who's trapped under any of those coaches is rescued first.
Oh yes, rescue and relief efforts, is something that is the priority for Railways. And in fact, on our TV screen as well, we are, flashing these numbers for all those who are in fact watching CNN News 18. This accident has happened. It is an unfortunate, incident that has happened in the Southeast Central Railways, where we are learning about this collision. Poonam, this collision has happened at around 4 p.m. today. And what we are learning is that, efforts are being put to help those who have got injuries, and in fact the normal passengers who are all safe, because we have been told that this was a local train, a memo train, and in general memo trains are the unreserved trains, Poonam. So in these trains you don't get reservation, and you can just go to counter and get the tickets, and you can travel in these trains. And that's the reason why we are fearing about several sort of casualties. But right now officials are having several sort of apprehensions. They are possibly trying to connect to the health officials as well, because only the doctors will be able to confirm as to how many casualties we have. But right now Railways is confirming that yes, it is a collision that has happened in this particular zone. Senior officers are very much there. Efforts are underway to rescue those who are trapped, and then we will have these people transported to their destination as well.
Right, Akash, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. We'll keep a track of the relief and rescue work there as it takes place in Bilaspur. But it is a wrap from my side here on this edition.
Go Poland. This is News 18 Network. India's largest news network.
In the Women's Cricket World Cup.
Joining us now is the woman of the moment, the player of the final of the 2025 ICC Women's World Cup, and truly Destiny's child. Shefali Verma is joining us. Shefali, thanks a lot for your time. Let me begin by asking you, how does it feel to be a world champion?
Absolutely, happiest moment for all of us.
But this is truly destiny for you because आप ये वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड का पार्ट भी नहीं थे, आपको सेमीफाइनल से पहले स्क्वाड में ऐड किया गया और फिर आप फाइनल में प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच रहे. तो एक तरह से ये जो पूरा एक आपका जो फेट था, जो डेस्टिनी है, वो पूरी हुई.
Are concerned, so we'll get clarity from the local administration in some time from now. Right now, what we know is that a collision has happened in the Southeast Central Railways, where near Bilaspur, we have this goods train, in fact, and the passenger train, where the collision has happened, and the passenger train has collided with this goods train, Poonam.
The rescue and relief work is underway there, Akash, as we can see on our screens. The local first responders usually are the ones that are living in close by villages near these tracks that end up coming and helping out. But we're given to understand that both the railway teams and the local administration is also now on site. Do we have any details of how many fatalities there could have been?
Not about fatalities, we are not getting any sort of clarity because, there is a lot of formalities. They have been, in fact, they are shifting, those who are injured to the hospital, and only the hospital will be able to confirm as to if we have people with serious injuries and if there are fatalities at all. But right now, Railways is saying, in fact, the officials are saying that there are 2-3 passengers who are injured. We are learning, in fact, the ground reports from Network 18, are suggesting that loco pilot and the assistant loco pilot are possibly injured. But as far as the nature of injuries are concerned, so, everyone is concerned. But then in some time from now only we'll get some sort of clarity, as to what has happened. This is, Gatora railway station. We have been told it is Southeast Central Railways. And the accident has happened between Bilaspur and Gatora railway station, we have been told. And it was one passenger train and one goods train. Remember, in the same area, in the same zone, we have seen accident, in fact, last year and last year as well. And in fact, it was a similar sort of collision where nearby, the areas only we had reported that how a collision had happened. But right now, this incident has happened at around, 4 p.m. today, where we are learning about a number of casualties. As I mentioned earlier, GM, DRM of that particular division, GM of that particular zone, and in fact, Rail Minister is keeping an eye from the war room here in Delhi. In fact, in the Rail Ministry, we are learning that officials are keeping an eye on the sort of relief and rescue work that is happening. The priority is, of course, to shift those who are injured to the hospital and also to restore the traffic on the route, because remember, because of this collision, a number of other trains are impacted, Poonam.
Right, Akash, do stay on with us. We'll keep coming back to you. But like you were pointing out, our colleagues on ground from News 18 getting us reports as well. Let's cut across.
बिलासपुर यहाँ से महज 2 से 2.5 किलोमीटर की दूरी में है. तमाम हॉस्पिटल है, तमाम सामुदायिक केंद्र है. वहां पर पहले से ही ये घटना हुई तो जिला प्रशासन ने सभी को एहतियात और सुरक्षा और वहां पर तमाम इंतजाम करने के निर्देश पहले ही दे दिए थे. क्योंकि घटना जिस समय हुई उस समय रेलवे की कोई आला अधिकारी, कोई रेस्क्यू टीम नहीं पहुंची थी. लिहाजा इसलिए यहाँ पर उन्हें तत्काल रेलवे रिलीफ ट्रेन जो अभी यहाँ पर मौके पर पहुंची थी उसकी मदद नहीं मिल पाई है. लेकिन ये जरूर है कि इस घटना के बाद से पीछे जा रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पर कवर कर रहे हैं. थोड़ी देर में हम आपका सहयोग कर रहे हैं, हम आपका सहयोग कर रहे हैं. बिल्कुल देखिए, बिल्कुल देखिए, बिल्कुल प्रशांत जी, हम भी उनकी मदद ही करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. क्योंकि जब से ये घटना हुई उसके बाद से हम खुद यहाँ पर मौके पर पहुंचकर कुछ यात्रियों को पानी पिलाए. जो यात्री परेशान थे, उनको हताहत हुए थे, उनको ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यहाँ पर एम्बुलेंस की व्यवस्था करने के लिए यहाँ पर स्थानीय लोगों से मदद मांगी, जिन्होंने स्थानीय लोगों ने मदद भी किया. और आप जो जिक्र कर रहे थे कितने लोग इस घटना में हताहत हुए होंगे, तो
We'll try and reconnect that line with my colleague who's getting us the report from on ground there. But as you can see, there are several people that were believed to be trapped. One of those coaches, as you can